Hi, I'm Allison Hedgepath, the marketing coordinator with 9Health 365, and I'm here today to chat with Gary Drew, CEO of 9Health 365, to learn a little bit more about their mission and Colorado Gives Day, which is on Tuesday, December 7th this year. Welcome, Gary. Can you tell us a little bit about 9Health 365, the organization, and what your busy staff and team of volunteers have been up to?
Oh, you bet. So, my goodness, what a busy year it has been. So 9Health, formerly 9Health Fair for 40 years, which used to run health fairs, when we still do, has become something much more. As you can tell by our name, we've changed it. We've added the term 365, and that's not just a logo behind me. That's actually what we're doing now. We're bringing preventive health to people 365 days a year. And in doing that, we've also been able to provide the COVID vaccine statewide to tens of thousands of underserved adults and now children. And we're trying to make preventive health part of everybody's lives, no matter their life circumstances.
Awesome. Can you tell us a little bit about the greatest need and the impact of the work you're doing?
Oh, you bet. The greatest need for preventive health is pretty much with everybody. We've all been very distracted, and rightly so, by COVID and the pandemic. But preventive health saves lives. And we do that by providing really, really inexpensive lab screenings that help uncover chronic disease. And we help people learn the language of health, which is very complicated these days, just knowing the terminology and what to ask a doctor and on and on. We've got to learn the language of health to use our systems wisely. And lastly, preventive health helps those most in need because they're most vulnerable. And so we're trying to make these services available to those most vulnerable.
Yeah. I would imagine that's why Colorado Gives Day is so important for nonprofit organizations like 9Health 365.
It is, if we weren't doing this for such a low cost, everybody would be. Every commercial company would be charging what we charge. And what enables us to make this accessible to everybody because of its low cost is support from donors. And so let me give you an example. We've developed a service this year that provides unlimited access to a primary care doctor 24/7 for a year. And we can do that for less than $100. So think about that and the cost of our typical healthcare, and the ability to make a gift of $100 and have somebody have access to primary care for a full year is an incredible gift. And so we're really thrilled to be able to reach out to folks on Colorado Gives Day and share the impact that we can really have by a simple gift.
Do you have a fundraising goal for this year?
We do. We'd like to raise $50,000, and it's a big goal for us. And what we recognize is that every gift we receive is a big gift. And so with that $50,000, we have two things that we want to accomplish. One is to continue providing the COVID vaccine to underserved communities around Colorado. And the other is to bring access to preventive health care to folks, like I was just sharing, for $100 that can last somebody a year, which can make all the difference in their livelihood.
And where can people go to donate?
You can go to 9health365.org and make a donation there, or you can go to coloradogives.org and look for 9Health 365 there and make a gift, one-time gift or a sustaining gift, which is even more valuable to the organization so that we can keep providing the service out into the future. So any donation, like I said, is a big donation. So thanks for thinking of us.
If anyone has any questions about how to support 9Health 365, you can reach out to Gary directly at gary.drews@9health365.org. Anything else, Gary?
The other thing I'd share is if you just go to 9health365.org, you'll see all the incredible resources that we've been able to compile and make available to folks. It's actually pretty exciting. There's hundreds of health education videos now. There's tools online that are free to assess your own health. And the opportunity to volunteer is literally every day right now. We are out amongst the community every day providing screenings, vaccines, COVID testing, and we are relying on thousands of volunteers to help make this happen. So if you feel up for that, go check us out at 9health365.org.
Thank you, Gary. And if you have any questions, please reach out. We hope you consider donating to us this Colorado Gives Day. Thanks.